Hello, hello. This is another test of these microphones. I've got the camera back up in the position where it was before. If I take off my hat, I see that we are connected. That's a good sign. We are connected. I'm just getting rid of things that don't need to be here. They do not. So, and certainly one thing also, it needs to be here, but it doesn't need to be here right now, is this monitor. So it has a whole whack of cables connected. Oh, it now can go under the table. And this other power bar does not need to be here. It does not. So I will slide over and see if this microphone test worked. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.